Welcome, in front of me is Samsung Galaxy S20 FE, and in this video I will show you what to do if you cannot access your device using your lock screen PIN code. First of all, if you're seeing a screen like this, make sure that you're trying to enter or attempting to enter your lock screen PIN code and not the SIM card PIN code, because these two are often mistaken for each other, and therefore you should make sure that you're trying to enter your security PIN code. And give it a couple of attempts, and in case it doesn't help you, then the best solution, if you cannot remember your PIN code, would be to contact a Samsung customer support service, because if you can prove the ownership of your smartphone to them using, for example, your receipt from the store where you bought this phone, you'll be able to regain access to your phone, and they will surely help you with it without removing any data from your device, which is why I consider it the best option in such situation. Now, the next way that you can regain access to your device is by using a Find Hub service by Google. In such case, you're gonna have to reset your device completely, but you can do this remotely using any other device. Basically, what you have to do is enter your web browser on any other device and search for the Find Hub service. Find Hub, and using Find Hub service, sign into this to your Google account that is linked to this smartphone, and select the device from the list. Then select Settings and select Perform Factory Reset. So select, for example, this device, then select Factory Reset Device, and once you perform Factory Reset operation on this device, all data will be removed and you'll be able to set it up once again. Now, the other way to perform a factory reset operation is locally, through recovery mode, and if you don't know how to manage recovery mode on the smartphone, simply check the video on our channel titled How to Perform Factory Reset Operation through Recovery Mode on Samsung Galaxy S20 FE. And again, once the factory reset operation is performed, you'll be able to use your device again, but of course it will also affect your private data. Now, what to do in case if you didn't forget your PIN code? Do you remember your PIN code? Still, this screen doesn't accept it. In such case, try to enter your PIN code in the safe mode, where there are no third-party applications that may affect the way that your lock screen behaves. To do that, press and hold the power button and volume down key at the same time until you see. Okay. It lags a bit. Okay, until you see this screen. Then keep holding these two buttons together. Okay, now release them and try and attempt pressing them once again until your device's screen turns on and you see the Samsung logo on it. Alternatively, just only press power button. Basically, what we're trying to do is get your device to turn on. That's the only thing that we need right now. And sometimes it requires some time. So, okay, and right now, once your device is turned on, start pressing the volume down button after you see this logo on your screen, and keep holding it until you see until your phone basically turns on. And once your phone turns on, it will turn on in the safe mode, which is why you will see the indicator in the bottom left corner saying safe mode. And once you see this indicator on your screen, all you have to do is try to enter your PIN code once again and see if it works for you right here. And in case it works for you, wait until your phone starts, then go to the list of all applications, go to Settings, and then go to Security and Privacy. Go to Lock Screen, Screen Lock, and enter your PIN code once again. Press Done, and instead of a PIN code, select None. Then once again restart your phone. Again, you can do this by pressing the volume down button and the power button at the same time. Select Restart, wait until your phone is restarted, and after that you'll be able to use your device again. And so that is it for this video. I hope that it helps you, and if it did, please consider subscribing to our channel, leave us a like and a comment below, and I'll see you in the next one.